Okay guys, we're out here looking at the new 2021 Arctic Wolf by Cherokee. It's a Forrest River product. It's the 3990 Suite. It's got a pretty awesome floor plan. Let's take a walk around the outside first. This is a new floor plan for 2021 for the Arctic Wolf. You can see it's got the dining slide. It does have the solid steps. They're not the Lippert ones, but they are nice. They're nice and solid. They are pre-set up for the slide toppers. It has one awning. Something that's also nice is the solid tempered glass front and rear door. The wheels and tires are nice. It doesn't have nothing fancy on the suspension. It is the cable type of slides. They do the job, but they are problematic at times. It's got the solid steps on the rear. Fold up in. Let's go around to the back. This is the back. It has the fold down cargo carrier. Comes standard. Well, I don't know if it's standard, but it's on this model. Pre-wired for the backup carrier. The Furion backup cameras. Pre-wired there. Nice big back window. Looks to be LED lighting. That's nice. This one here is the bedroom slide for the bed. Also cables type of slide. Big open space. There's a window up there. You'll see why that's up there when we get inside. There's your hookup, 50 amp power. This has the dual ACs. Your vent for your refrigerator. This is the slide for the fridge. Here are your hookups. You have the outside shower, your freshwater and cable satellite connections, your black water flush. That's your furnace. Of course, your hot water. Here's your pass-through. Looks like a good amount of storage. You can see the aluminum beams. They're nice. Nothing fancy. There's TV and stuff hookups we can see on the other side. Here's where they store the propane tanks. This one only comes with 20s, but it looks tall enough you could fit a 30 in there. You have the auto level on this. It's only 4 points for auto level on this one. Your front storage. There's not much storage in here because the spare tire is in here. And one of your, well actually your only battery is right there. It's got the Rhino pin box. They're okay. You could change those. Front end looks pretty nice. It's got the LEDs that you can see them there right there. They light up. Let's get you over to see the tag here. These are the ratings for this. Hope that's clear enough for you guys. Tells you the weights and stuff. Here's the storage from the other side. You can see the hookups for the TV. It's got lighting in here too. That help. And also the 20-pound on this side. There's the regulator if you have to switch it over. Now let's go inside, take a look. Here we are inside. This is your kitchen layout. It's your island. It's got the flex head faucet there. The sink cover. The counters in this model are really, for lack of a better word, cheesy. They're like hollow cardboard, but it will do the trick. Here's your pantry. It's a nice tall pantry. This is also where you got your washer and dryer connections. A couple outlets in here. Here is the stove. It's got the kind of the counter height stove, so you can use the whole counter. Comes with a backsplash cutting board. Comes right off. Magnetic. A little information sheet on it. You got your Furrion fridge. They are pretty deep, so it's not bad. This is a 12-volt fridge, so it's not the house type fridge, but gives you good space. Here is your coffee bar if you want, or more storage. You got the cupboards down below, right here. More storage on there. You got your USB and regular plugs. Let's spin around to the dining. You have your dining table. It's in its own slide with the 4 normal chairs. Got your nice glass light fixture. Let's walk to the back. Here's your bathroom. Nice tall ceilings in here, so you're definitely ain't gonna hit your head in here. You got these long skinny storage. You can lose stuff in the back there. And you have your sink, single vanity, storage underneath. You have your remote there for your Max Air fan, which is up there. Of course, you got your medicine cabinet. This is like your command center. Got your button for your slide, your Max or your Air Excel for your fans and air conditioners. That one's actually for your air conditioner. This one is all your for your lighting for the inside and outside, your water pump, your water heater, and this here is for the leveling system. Like I mentioned, this is only a 4-point leveling, and you have your Wi-Fi 1 control hotspot. Yeah, you see stairs. This model has a loft, so we'll check that in a minute. Here's the master bedroom. This has the special king bed. It's got a fair amount of storage in here. Here, got some drawers. They're not too deep, but they work. And then, of course, you got this closet with the up and down storage there. Big window in the rear. And on this side, both sides have the USB and plugs at the bottom. Then here's your closet on this side. Right here. And it says you can use only non-vented dryers in this part. But that closes. Really nice. Now let's go upstairs and check that out. Here's your stairs going up to the loft. When you see pictures of these, they look much bigger. It's not as big as you would think. But here's the loft area. Even this makes it look bigger, but it's a pretty nice loft area. Can't complain with this. The Teddy Bear Bunk Series beds, they're really thin, so you would want to put probably a twin size regular mattress in here. And let's see if I can get you up in there better. There's also storage on this side, and over there is where your TV goes. You got the hook up on the ceiling, so not bad up here. Now this is what makes this one a unique floor plan. It's the first one for the Arctic Wolf, and that's the forward living room. Of course, you've seen a few other forward living rooms. They're nice layouts. These beds pull out, or these couches pull out into beds. Ample storage on each side of the entertainment center. On both sides. The where the TV goes is kind of weird because it hangs on the outside here, which kind of blocks your shelves. It should be recessed, but it might work for some. Windows on both sides. And we have somebody enjoying a chair there, taking our precautions there with the mask. This couch has heat, recline, and vibrations, massage. You have the zebra shades, which are nice, and of course you can see up there you got the LED lighting. Ceiling fan. This unit has the two 15,000 BTU air conditioners, and you can see all the ducts for those. And also, I forgot to show you this little stereo there. Has the Bluetooth and all that stuff, so you can hook everything up to that. And of course the fireplace for a little ambiance. Forgot to mention, you also have the built-in speakers there in the kitchen. Overall, it's not a bad unit, but it could use some upgrades. It is not a higher end unit. It's probably one of the lower end units you're going to get in a fifth wheel. But overall, not bad. Let me know what you think down in the comment section.
Whenever your heart is broken,